Welcome to day 20 of the Momentum Blueprint. Today, we are making a powerful identity shift because this is where most people stay stuck without realizing it. Today is about understanding that you are not just posting on social media, you are a content creator. And content creation is a real valuable skill that builds businesses, income, and opportunities when done with intention. Most people approach social media thinking, I need to post because everyone says I should, or I just want to make money, so I guess I need content. That mindset leads to random posting, burnout, and frustration. Content creators think differently. A content creator posts with purpose, clarity, and direction. Every piece of content serves a role. It either builds trust, attracts the right audience, or guides people toward a solution. A content creator is not someone with perfect lighting, expensive equipment, or a massive following. A content creator is someone who understands that content is communication. It is how you explain what you believe, what you've learned, what problem you solve, and why someone should listen to you. When you shift into this mindset, posting stops feeling like pressure and starts feeling like leadership. Here is the difference between random posting and intentional content creation. Random posting sounds like, what should I post today? Intentional content creation sounds like, who am I helping today and what do they need to hear? That one shift changes everything. Content creators understand that attention is valuable, but trust is priceless. Anyone can get views. Very few people build trust. Trust is what leads to clicks, emails, conversations, and customers. And trust is built through consistent, helpful content that speaks directly to a real problem. Here's a simple way to think about content. Content is your traffic. It brings people into your world. Your system, your offer, or next step is what converts that attention into income. Content without intention creates noise. Content with intention builds momentum. This is why creators, educators, and business owners can earn income from social platforms. They are not paid because they post. They are paid because their content keeps people engaged, informed, and coming back. Platforms reward that. Audiences reward that. Businesses reward that. Another important shift is understanding that content is an asset. A post does not disappear when the day ends. Videos, captions, and lessons live online and continue working for you even while you're sleeping. One piece of content can be discovered days, weeks, or months later. That is digital real estate. You are building assets, not chasing likes. Now, let's make this practical. What does intentional content actually look like? Intentional content usually fits into three categories. Connection content builds relatability and trust. Authority content teaches, explains, or simplifies something. Conversion content invites someone to take the next step. You do not need to post all three every day, but over time, you should be using all three. For example, connection content might sound like, I used to feel overwhelmed trying to figure this out too. Authority content might sound like, here's one thing that helped me simplify this. Conversion content might sound like, if you want to learn more, here's where to start. Simple, clear, honest. You do not need to be an expert to create authority content. Authority does not come from knowing everything. Authority comes from learning and sharing clearly. If you are one step ahead of someone else, you can help them. Teaching what you're learning builds trust faster than pretending to be perfect. Another mindset shift is this. Content creation is not about showing your life. It is about solving problems. People do not follow you because you exist. They follow you because you help them understand something, feel something, or see a possibility they hadn't seen before. If you feel stuck, here is a powerful question to ask before posting. What problem does this content help solve? If you can answer that, your content has purpose. Today's action is simple but powerful. I want you to claim the identity. Say it out loud. I am a content creator. My content builds my business. My content creates opportunities. When you internalize that, you show up differently. You speak with more clarity. You stop apologizing for posting. Before you post, set an intention. Decide whether this post is meant to connect, teach, or invite. That one decision will instantly improve the quality of your content. You are not late. You are not behind. You are learning a skill that compounds over time. Content creation is leverage. The more intentional you become, the easier everything gets. Day 20 is about ownership. You are not trying social media. You are building something. You are developing a skill that can support any business, any offer, any idea. Content is not extra work, it is the work. Stay consistent, stay intentional, keep building assets. And remember, content creation is not about perfection, it is about clarity, consistency, and connection.